Hello there, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with the launch of our October 18 Kit of the Month. A lovely box album altered in the Patchwork collection from Stamperia, and as you can see it closes completely. Got a magnetic closure on the front of the cover here, and then it opens up, and inside we've got lots and lots of beautiful colours and layers all ready to put your photos in. So let me take you through what's inside. So on the inside page we've got a lovely little tag with the bird on a beautiful patchwork background, and a little tag that sits in there, and then two elements, photo mats that go into the pocket on the side. And then we have a really lovely patchwork quilted photo frame with a little tag to journal behind, and you can slide your pictures into the pocket on the front. And then on that page there's a little pull-out photo mat as well. I love how all the colours work together in this album. And then flipping over, we've got a nice little pocket on this page. Again, a tag for journaling, or you can put your photos behind there. And the same on the opposite page, a nice little space to stick your picture in that frame. A tag to journal that slides behind the picture, and a little pull-out photo mat for photos on both sides if you wanted. And that just slides behind there. And then there is also a pull-up photo mat that comes out of the top. And as you can see, all the colours really coordinate beautifully together. I've had great fun working with this collection and putting this kit together. So flipping over, we've got another nice photo frame and a tag for journaling. I love that one. Full of stars. And that just slides right behind. And then here I've used the little cutouts to create a little photo fold out section, and again you can pop your pictures behind each one of those in there like that. The same with them all. Let's move the tag out. So they just come down from the top and slide in. So a lovely spread for your pictures there. And that closes up with a magnetic closure, so room for 5 pictures on that one. And then a lovely long tag if you wanted to write about the pictures in your album that sits right behind it. And again, a larger pull-out photo mat at the side there. And then we've got a flippy up page, a flippy down page here. So a really nice place for pictures with a pocket behind with a couple of tags in. And a nice area to put a picture on the page as well. So that one closes with a magnet, and then this one flips up the other way, and again we've got a really nice picture in the tag in the top, but again a little pocket to put bits and pieces, a tag on the front with a pocket, and again if you wanted to you could put your photo on the front there. Closes with a magnet, and we've got a nice little pocket for photos sitting behind there too. I love these. With a cup of tea in your hand, anything is possible. How true is that? And then flipping over, 2 really nice areas to put your pictures, and then 2 slide out photo mats in the pocket there. 2 pockets on that page. And then at the back we've got a little file folder that you can put larger things in if you wanted to keep them in the album, along with a lollipop journaling stick, 2 photo mats, a little tag, and the last little place to put your photos if you wanted to in front of that beautiful teacup. I love these papers, really love. I love the little birdie and how they coordinate with all of the colours as you work through the paper. So this one is available from the 1st of August. It is limited stock, so it's available while stocks last. If you want to find out more information about the kit, then follow the description in the follow the video link in the description below. That will take you to my website where you'll find out how the kit of the month works. You'll get everything that you need in the kit to make the album, and printed instructions, as well as a link to the downloadable instructions. So if you want to buy the kit, then just follow the link below. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out. Thanks for watching.